So my dad's on my 790. We'll see how that goes, shall we? Okay, he thinks he's sick. Quick Bandit preview. This is what he's currently riding. Oh, maybe not. Oh, he's having a little play around, is he? Well, I can feel where it's restricted. It pulls my arm. I don't get used to that. What? Because it pulls? No. Oh, that sounded horrible. What is he playing at? Tells me not to try launch it, and he's just absolutely twatted through my gearbox, mate. That sounded horrible. I'm gonna have a problem with him. That sounded horrible, that going up gears when you set off. Yeah, I tried to do clutch thing, but... What do you mean clutch thing? The quick shifter, you leave the throttle open. I know, but not when you just like you did that first time, so I just keep bothering it. Okay, now. Don't drop your bike. So KTM day at Squires. I think you had to put your name down to like test ride some. I think you had to put your name down to do some like do some test riding. Also, I'll be surprised if this guy who owns this 790 here next to me ends up seeing this video. But if he does, I am heartbroken for you, mate. I think someone pulled up next to him, stopped his bike, and it knocked over his bike. Look, you can see bar and mirrors are off. Or mirror, shall I say, and all scratched and leather's broken. Lift me at. You go back in there, sunshine. I think that's my worst nightmare, dropping my bike at Squires, but we don't talk about it. He who shall not be named. I need to turn this into 360 on, actually. Let's do that right now. Oh, I've left my SD card out, you joker. Oh my god. Just getting my SD card out my drone and putting it in camera. Take me 2 seconds. I need to get an extra SD card, because then this will stop all this havoc. In you go. Please. Right, lovely. Battery in. Back on you go. Yes, no. Right, it's on. Thank God for that. I've pressed start recording now, and hopefully, given I sync it up right in the editing. Right, I'm ready. Do not drop your bike, you tit face. It's a good start. Lovely. Do you want me to go first? Of course you do. There's not more nerve-wracking than coming in or out of Squires. I don't get nervous. Right, let's go. So since my last video upload of the 790 Duke, I've had about two, three rides on it maybe, including this one. So still, you know, I am loving it still, of course. I wouldn't say I'm fully comfortable on it yet. And also before I start like throwing it into corners and that, I want to get some new tyres on it. I don't know if I mentioned it in my last video, but it's like a renowned thing on these 790 Dukes. So it might be across like their entire range, but the standard tyres at the best really. We're not going the motorway home, by the way. We came the motorway here just to like get here, because it takes, how's this for a difference, 20 minutes or 25 on the motorway from where we are, or it's an hour taking air roads. But we'll have a nice ride home now on air roads. Funny story here actually. This is a one-way, right? Are you ready? Ready for the no entry sign? I don't know if you just saw them, but I kind of need to look where I'm going. My dad went up that when we basically came on a ride out to Squires with a few others and we lost my dad. Oh my god, it's raining. Does it have to? Hopefully it's just spitting. Oh, poor pheasant, man. Surely you'd think years of evolution, they'd stop running out in road. Oh shit, yeah, indicator. Got it. That is not like me to be leaving my indicator on, but believe it or not, I've done it twice today. I did it on the way here, and I'm doing it on the way back. I need to switch up with that, mate. But as you could probably guess, guys, I'm still loving this bike. I think next Saturday it's going to be really nice weather, or even on an evening, I'm going to try and get out. I'm going to do like an in-depth review just to go through the bike, and at least then I've had a good few rides on it, so I can give you an half decent review of the actual performance of the bike. I actually had a tiny little tank slapper the other day. I'll overlay a video of it now if I can get the footage. I'm pretty sure I didn't delete it, I hope I didn't, but I recorded in vertical mode, so it might be a bit funny on a YouTube video. But I'll tell you something I've learned from it. I overtook, which were fine, but I just carried on. I got a bit giddy with my quick shifter and just went up gears, and I shouldn't have done, but I've learned from it now. But let me tell you something, I rode like a grandma home after that. Hear what though, just feeling the torquiness of it is so good. It absolutely drinks petrol. If you've been watching my my TikToks and my Instagrams, I did a video on it. But you know what, if I have to pay £15 a week to keep it running with petrol, then I'm going to do it, because it's worth it. £15 a week is probably extremely conservative as well. Probably going to be a hell of a lot more than that. Do you know what, I don't go to Squires often either, really, thinking about it, and I should, because every time I do go I enjoy myself, and obviously you see a hell of a load of bikes, and especially today with it being like the KTM day. I just call it, I'm calling it a KTM day. I don't know what day it was, I just know it was a day of KTMs. But I think you could, I saw it advertised last week, and I think you could like put your name down and you could choose whatever model you wanted to test ride. And I think I saw it a bit late. My dad, I should have got him on a 1290. I had a stuck camera on him whilst they were on it. It'd been a good little bit of content that, but hey-oh. I just love blipping throttle on this thing. Like I said earlier, just feeling the torque, it's brilliant, man. I don't think I'll ever get bored of it. I'm very glad that I took the extra hit in insurance to get a 790 over a 390, because people say the 390, specifically my instructor said this literally before my mod 1. He was talking to me about A2 bikes and stuff, and I mentioned a 390 Duke, and he said, mate, do not get a 390 Duke, because they are so gutless. And I could kind of see where he's coming from, although I've never ridden one, so I'll take what I'm saying with a pinch of salt. But they don't have a lot of torque. I feel like it'd just feel like a quick 125, and I know that sounds daft as all, and I'm probably being very naive and stupid here saying all that, but I feel like a 390 almost, depending on what year you do get, it looks identical to 125, doesn't it? Straight quick shifter. I've seen a comment on my last video actually with quick shifter, keep the throttle pinned or keep it open. I think I've finally gotten used to quick shifter a little bit. When I first used it, I mean, you'll see in that first video of me riding it, I thought I'd broke everything. I thought I'd broke gearbox, I thought quick shifter were gone, because I think I was like acting as if I was using the clutch, so I'd roll off the throttle and then kick up gear without pulling clutch in, and it were like, mate, what are you doing? But obviously I'm aware now that you keep the throttle open, and to be fair, I did think initially that I wasn't going to use a quick shifter much. I like using the clutch, and I do, but it is a bit of fun using it when you're getting up gears and you're going, like, you know, picking up speed fairly quick. It is quite fun to use, so I will be using it a lot more than I thought I was gonna. And I think we've chose a good time to go home here, because I think it's about to start. It looks a little bit misty, but I think rain is supposed to be upon us soon. I hate to say it, but I think it is. I mean, just look at the torquiness as well. Like, I'm in 4th at 30. And it still goes. I mean, it's just reminded me, I had some right Facebook comments on some of the videos, because a few weeks ago I started a Facebook page. I thought, I'll post on Instagram, I might as well, for a bit more coverage, upload on Facebook as well. I've seen a few other like motorbike vloggers, if you could say, posting on Facebook, and I thought, you know what, I might as well, it's not going to harm anyone. Well, it's harmed me feelings, I'll tell you that for free. Jesus Christ, I mean, I know the Facebook demographic is slightly older, but I were getting absolutely ripped into, boys. I won't lie to you, because I were all excited about my 790 Duke, you know, coming from a 125. I were all giddy and that, and apparently people don't want to see other people happy. Oh, that's what it seemed like anyway. People were absolutely gunning for me. I think, to be fair, I should have left the comments up just for a bit of engagement, but I got rid of them because I thought, do you know what, the Baz Moto community ain't about that, is it? No, we're nice people around here, we don't take the piss, and we're certainly not horrible people like them people were. I just thought, you cheeky f***. I mean, it's a laugh in it at the end of the day, but there was no need for it. Tell you what. Oh, f*** me. It's so good. Imagine a 1290. I don't believe it, man. Get these next 2 years out of the way. I've literally had my bike a week today, and I'm thinking, get it out of the way already, but no, I absolutely love it. I want my 1290 though, that would be quite good. I hope you. You'd have seen it start at video as well, to be fair, and my dad on my 790, because his dream bike's a 1290 Duke. Are you surprised I'm not? He's popping power wheelies, this lad. Does anyone else do that when someone like spares their life by not pulling out? You know, what's he doing? Wait. Where on earth's he going? You could have just gone straight on. It takes you out roundabout again, just back on yourself up here. I don't know if you can see this now, but I'm just going back on myself. I don't know why he's done that. His phone is shit. Honestly, don't get Samsung. Christ alive. I don't care what anyone says. Apple every day. Yeah, it's alright. It's extra minutes on my Duke, so I'm not going to complain, even though I just have. I keep getting really funny wind noise in my helmet, and I keep thinking it's my bike, and it's terrifying me every time. Now, I swear my front wheel picked up then. This will probably feel like 20 minutes ago for you lot. But yeah, if you saw at the start of the video, my dad had a little go on my 790. As I've mentioned, his dream bike's a 1290, which is probably my dream bike, to be fair. So I imagine he felt like a kid on Christmas having a go on a 790. And he did say that it honestly felt quicker than his Bandit. Now obviously it's just like swings and roundabouts in it. Like the Bandit has got more horsepower, and it's an inline 4, but it's a lot heavier than the Duke. So what the Duke lacks in like horsepower, it makes up for in like weight, if that makes any sense. I might be chatting shit, but someone on my Instagram as well, if he might be watching this video, apologies, I can't remember your Instagram username, but you'll know who you are. You're on a 790. We had a little chat about how tight we hold the bars on the 790, because it just wants to pull you all the time. And my dad said the exact same thing. What on earth? When he had a little go on it, he was like, bloody hell, I needed to hold on tight or we're going to take flight. And it's like, yeah mate, you are. This is what the bad boy does. It just wants to go, even though I'm on A2 restricted. Poor guy dropping his bike at Squires. It wasn't even his fault either. I say he dropped his bike, he didn't. From what I was told, yeah, like I've said, someone knocked over his bike or fell over and oh mate. Do you know what? It were right next to me as well. Like, luckily it didn't hit your bike, because oh my god, I know it's all accidents and it can't be helped, but if my bike would have been knocked over, mate, I don't think I'd have ever gone to Squires again. I'd have been too upset. I'd have got PTSD every time. That was a funky looking whip, wasn't it? If anything, I think this bike honestly is just made me love KTMs even more, because they're sick, aren't they? You can have your Japanese bikes and your reliability. Who needs reliability when you've got fun and enjoyment there? I don't care what anyone says. No, that's just a joke. Don't be all butthurt. If that were going on Facebook, I'd have probably got a lot of hate for saying that. Honestly, if you ever need a laugh, just go through my Facebook comments. Brutal, man. But yeah, I think this bike's made me realise that KTM is, yeah, they're beasts, aren't they? And I think I'm always gonna be on KTM my whole life, 100%. Telling me, this bike I'm on now, I could get a 1290 and it have like triple the horsepower and double the torque or whatever. Do you know what? I actually don't even know the torque of the 1290s, but I imagine it's ridiculous. I think the 790s have about 80 Newton meters of torque compared to like my 125, which had about 18, I think. Again, I could be absolutely chatting shit. I only filled up like yesterday and I'm on half a tank. You know what makes this so much more enjoyable as well? The fact that I've got an helmet that fits me decently now. If you've been on my channel for a long time, you'll know I've had trouble with my helmets and that, but this one, yeah, it fits a dream. I'm having fun here. When you were doing power wheelies, I swear my front wheel lifted off at floor. And I've just had confirmation. My wheel did leave the ground. So surely Red Bull have seen enough. They'll want to sponsor me right now. Tunnel! There's a tunnel. I don't know if you'll be able to wear that. You can just hear this tit head behind me with his Black Widow exhaust. It's a bit techy around here. I wasn't going to overtake there, but mate, there's a flying helmet. That was disgusting. How's it? Oh, it just makes me laugh, this bike. It makes me smile. What's it doing? Well, that explains this bit of traffic then. He's too busy playing about with his forklift or whatever it is. Need to get past that. Do you know, I hope by the time I can get my like direct access. That they've switched the rules, I can just automatically upgrade. That would be quite nice, wouldn't it? I mean, I see the flaws with it where like someone might have not even been insured on a bike and had some experience on a more powerful bike, and then they go and do the direct access and they can get whatever they want. Whereas at least with like this 2 years A2 stuff, at least can get some experience on a bigger bike before going even bigger. Although saying that, I could have just stayed on my 125 for 2 years, however boring and grueling that may have been. But then I could have just gone and got my A licence at the end of them 2 years anyway. So again, I think I'm chatting shit. But do you get what I mean? Like, you shouldn't have to do a test, I think, again. Like, I've done the Mod 1 and the Mod 2 and a theory test to get my A2 licence. Surely I don't have to, I mean, I shouldn't have to do the Mod 1 and the Mod 2 again. Obviously you don't have to do your theory again, which is alright. Let's get past it. Hey up. Let's get past all this. I don't think I kicked it up hard enough there to get into second. When you want to get neutral, you can't find it. But when you don't want neutral, it just comes with ease. Deary me. Oh, thank God. I thought it was just overtaking something. At least it's getting out of the road now, that's alright. Thank God that's getting out of the way. Is your helmet done up? Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's raining now, fantastic. There is a rain mode on this Duke, as you'll know if you've watched my last video. If the roads start getting really, really badly wet and soaked, then I'll slap it in rain. I still don't know the difference. I said after my last week's video that after picking it up I'd have to like investigate and learn about the different modes and that. All I really know is that rain makes it a bit less responsive on throttle. Sport is obviously the most twitchiness and most responsive, but as for like street and stuff, I've literally no idea. Oh, damn cyclists, as per usual. I think we're near Tingley Garden Centre right now. I might be talking shit here, might be talking rubbish here, but I think we might be. You were sticking at A roads? Sticking to off the motorway? Yeah. Yeah, fuck that, it's raining. Go green, please. Shutting that visor, it's freezing. Yeah, I wouldn't dare go on motorway right now. It's Baltic. It don't look that bad, but it's a bit cold and it's a bit raining. Wind chill on motorway. 70 mile an hour, you're alright. Has this got a red light flashing on it? Yeah. Right, good. Thank God for that. I have to check every time. Oh my God. Sick and tired of the roads in the UK. They're so poor. Watch it, you dick. Don't trust anybody. That's what you can't do in I suppose you can't do it anywhere, but especially the UK, yeah. Nah. Can't be trusting them. Oh, that felt nice, I won't lie to you. It's when you're in them higher gears at a speed where you could be in a bit of a lower gear, but the torque just takes you. It's so good. So good. If you guys made it this far in the video, thank you ever so much for watching. On your tit, it's a 40. Look at speed, mate. 28 in a 40. What are you doing? No. Have you got it on motorway though? Oh, fuck no, maybe. Dick. But if you made it this far in the video, guys, thank you ever so much for watching. I'll see you next Monday in my next weekly video. Have a good one. Peace.